Let's start the next video, a short video, last minute revision video. So we have already discussed about root. Now today we are going to discuss about stem and leaves. So normally in gymnosperm we find the stem is woody type and the very erect stem, because tall trees are found to be present in gymnosperm, and this is a perennial, means the life cycle is more than 2 years, and they adult large, they are long lived trees, means the trees are present throughout the lifespan, and these are found to be present, they live for many years. And secondary growth is distinct in this particular stem of this particular gymnosperm, because secondary xylem is well developed and also secondary phloem present that forms bark like appearance. But in Cycas we find the stem is unbranched, very important questions, whereas Pinus and Cedrus we find the stems are branched. So this is very important in the NEET point of view, because in Cycas the stems are not unbranched, they are looking like a palm tree or like a coconut tree. But in Pinus we find the stems are branched. Now let's talk about the leaves. So two different types of leaves are found in this gymnosperm. One is scaly leaves, which provide protection. They are very small, dry, and they are brown in color. They are non-photosynthetic and they provide protection. Suppose this is the plant body present, the scaly leaves are present as scale-like appearance to provide protection. Another one is called as the foliage leaves, which are green and do help in photosynthesis. And they can withstand harsh condition, means they can develop in harsh condition because they contains sunken stomata, they reduce stomata, so they prevent transpiration. So as they prevent the loss of water, so they are xerophytic in nature and they can be found in harsh conditions. And special leaf forms we find in Cycas and Pinus. In Cycas we find the leaves are pinnately compound like coconut tree. Like coconut tree, these leaflets are present, means the leaf lamina is differentiated into leaflets, and these leaflets are called as pinnate. And whereas in Pinus we find the leaves are different needle-like structure. They are needle-like structure, one leaf attached to other leaf, attached to other leaf, they are needle-like appearance. So in Pinus we call them as needle leaf, whereas in Cycas we call them as pinnate leaf, and they all are of compound leaf. They all are of compound leaves. And normally, why they are xerophytic? Normally gymnosperm xerophytic adaptation, mostly Pinus, because they contains thick cuticle, sunken stomata, and the surface area of the leaf is highly reduced because they are needle-like appearance. So as the surface area is highly reduced, so they resist water loss, cold and wind. So for which Pinus is the best example of gymnosperm that has xerophytic adaptations is found to be present. And normally gymnosperms are evergreen in nature because they contains leaves which are evergreen, and they helps in photosynthesis. They are useful in cold regions with short growing seasons. And normally we find this needle-like leaves helps gymnosperm to survive cold conditions. Got it clear? So this is all about your gymnosperm, and you can get detailed study materials, notes, everything from a particular site. Okay, thank you for watching the video.